No, not from us, not from the Liverpool supporters, maybe from you. I don't know. Because this question is now not the first time that I hear it. Means not from us. And I say a lot of times will be an all-time great after he finished his career, but now he's still in his career. And if you see more every day, there's still a good few years in his legs and in his body, so the numbers will even improve, and that's absolutely great. No, we don't overlook it, but I can imagine if the question is asked.
Jurgen Klopp, Liverpool manager, says it's a time now to think about the top 4 position. It's a time now to think how they can just play UEFA Champions League next season, as Liverpool is just passing also through a dramatic time, as it's a club which had lost so many Premier League matches. That's why now they have been striving to find the top 4 position, and in fact this is just one among the barest season on the side of the Liverpool Football Club. And here Jurgen Klopp admits that as now they are just thinking about the UEFA Champions League next season, and the only way to participate in UEFA Champions League is to win the next matches of the Premier League. In fact, what should be done here is hard working, and of course the fighting and the sense of understanding that this club needs and this club deserves to be in UEFA Champions League. And in fact, here Pep Guardiola, Jurgen Klopp says the players have that ability, his players and the fans have high ability to make this club participate in UEFA Champions League next season. And what's just good enough with Newcastle has lost the 3 important points this today, and it's just a very poor performance, but disadvantage to Liverpool Football Club, who is just striving to be in a top 4 position, as in fact Liverpool wants to be the champion, wants to be in the UEFA Champions League. And in fact also Jurgen Klopp says he is just well prepared, and he has been preparing his team to encounter the opponents in the next coming games of the Premier League. And of course everybody knows that very well, as Liverpool Football Club is just in